saying? I got one on. As y'all can see, I still got the other 3 here. I want to show y'all what I did. Hopefully I can do it again, but got one on. Y'all can see.
Forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block life for so long that I feel bossed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Before we get started, y'all know the routine, man. Y'all already know what's going on. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. You know what I'm saying? It's free. It won't hurt you. Don't cost you nothing. And it helps me and my channel grow. You know, we're trying to grow as big as we can. And this is the year for me for growth. You know what I'm saying? So I'm doing all I can this year and trying to grind out as much as I can. Now, y'all seen by the title, thumbnail, ain't nothing to hide. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be trying to put on my rally center caps or wheel covers. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna show y'all what they are because I have them right here in my hand. But yeah, we finna put on the rally center cover of the wheels. You know what I'm saying? So this is what they look like. Now, if y'all been with me since the beginning of this car journey of my box Chevy, that y'all remember these. When I bought this car, these wheels came, well, these center pieces came with the car. They was in the trunk. And I've been doing research on them because I've been trying to figure out what they really are, because I was just gonna never use them. You know what I'm saying? They just been sitting in storage. Y'all can see all this just dust getting all up on the wheels from them just sitting in storage. So like I said, I've been looking up stuff on trying to figure out what they were and what they went to. Now, I knew they went to wheels, I just didn't know what wheels. And I finally figured out they go to the wheels I actually have on the car right now. So I can put these on, and you feel me, it's gonna be a struggle. I don't have a rubber mallet. That's what I really need, but we're gonna try to get them on anyways with what we got. You know what I'm saying? With just the material that we got. So like I said, those go on the wheels that I have. Like I said, I've been doing research trying to figure out what wheels they go to, and turns out they actually do go to this car. I thought they went to maybe a Corvette or something. You know what I'm saying? I've seen a lot of old Corvettes with center pieces like that, but turns out they fit my car and the wheels that I got on the car right now. So we finna put them on the stock wheels this video, and yeah, I think it's gonna make the car look a little bit better with my stock wheels on. So you feel me? It's like having on my Charger them black wheels and then putting my center caps on. That's basically how this gonna be. This is just gonna cover up the lug. So like I said, I think it'll look a lot better. And yeah, we finna put this on. Like I said, I got all 4 of them, y'all know, and this came with the cars, and I just never knew what wheels they went to. And now I finally know. Like I said, I've been doing research on them, and I figured out they was called rally center caps and all that. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even know they was called that. I just knew they were centerpieces to some wheels. I just didn't know what wheels, and turns out they go to my wheels. So when I get out the car, I'm gonna show y'all the other 3, or show y'all all 4 of them together, and then show y'all my stock wheel. And then we're gonna try and put them on. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a struggle, like I said, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get it done. So catch y'all in a second when I get outside. Oh, make sure y'all follow my Instagram too, at 01Deuce. Follow my Instagram, road to 3K on YouTube, so subscribe here. And then follow my Instagram, road to 2,000 followers. You know what I'm saying? So let's get right into this video. I'll catch y'all when I get outside. Alright, y'all, so out of the car, as y'all can see, these are my stock wheels that came on this box Chevy when I bought it. So, and the rally cluster, the rally center caps, when I looked them up, all the wheels were gray just like mine with the 3 prongs. Y'all see that? 1, 2, 3 prongs like that, and then it had this chrome piece going around the lip of the wheel. So every last one of them just like this. Gray wheel, chrome around the lip, and then them 3 prongs. So, and then they was this size wheel too, obviously, but this is the 14. But the center cap, like I said, it ain't gonna pop right on, so you're gonna have to hit it down a little bit. But as y'all can see, this do go on the wheel, and if I can get it to stay a little bit. Well, y'all will see when it's on, but look at that. Just from it looking like this, you know what I'm saying? That looked pretty good. I like it a lot. It make the wheel look a lot better than just having the lug nut showing with the centerpiece of the wheel rotor and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, I think it's gonna be dope. Y'all see my cornering light. I'm ordering the sockets. The sockets should be coming soon, so y'all stay tuned for that as well. So let's try and see if we can get this on. Somebody fly. Now I don't, like I said, I don't have a rubber mallet, but I also don't want to use a hammer because I don't want to damage this any more than I need to. So I'm gonna try and use the end of this wrench, or vice grip I should say. Don't want to bend in there. Let's see if I can bend this down just a little bit. See if that'll work. I can't get it to just clamp in there. Come on. Man, y'all get the picture and see how it'll look. So just stand up. That's how it'll look on the wheel. And like I said, to make it look even better and look like a real old school wheel, you know. And I don't know if I showed y'all. Here go the other 3 as well. Like I said, I got all 4 of them, and they just been sitting in storage and they just collecting dust and dirt. So yeah, I need to figure out how I can get this on real quick, because I do want these on the car. It'd be so much easier if I had a rubber mallet. I could get it right here and it can go straight on. It's trying to, I see it trying to clamp in there. Can't put my body weight on that. That ain't working. It's trying to though. See? It's trying to clamp on there. And I don't want to bend it because it got grooves in here to where it'll help it just stay and clamp. You know what I'm saying? And I can tell they've been on here before because it scratches all on these. So they definitely been on here before. I just can't get it. It's trying to though, as y'all can see. Yeah, struggling. Like I said, I need a rubber mallet to where I can hit it on there. I don't have one. Whew. I don't know what I can use. I'm trying to think, y'all. Trying to think what I got that I could probably use to get that on there. Honestly, I really don't know. But I do know I need some gloves on. It's cold out here. But yeah, like I said, I'm finna try and get this on. Once I get one on, I should be able to get the rest on. I'll figure out how I can do it. So let me try and think of something real quick, and I'm gonna come back to y'all either with the finished product or after I get one on, and we'll put another one on together and I'll show you how I did it. Y'all, now don't make fun of my method and how I did it, but don't knock it if it worked, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can't see me. There we go. And like I said, don't get mad at me for my method. Don't laugh at it, but it worked. You know what I'm saying? I got one on. As y'all can see, I still got the other 3 here. I want to show y'all what I did. Hopefully I can do it again, but got one on. Y'all can see, not gonna move. And what I did, y'all can see I got a hammer. Got my vice grip still here. I tried the hammer wouldn't work, but the hammer also didn't bend it. So I ended up using the bottom of my drill, and I just kept hitting it like this. And the good thing about this is, y'all see, it fits the whole circle right there. So I was just hitting it, and it went on. And like I told you, I knew these go on there because of the grooves and all that stuff. I've been researching all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So look at that, bro. Now tell me that don't look a lot better than the lugs being exposed. You can't tell me it don't, because it do, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna put one more on camera. I'm gonna go with this one a little bit shinier. Do the 2 shiny ones up front. If y'all ain't checked out the video when we custom made this corner light, make sure y'all go check that video out. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this one as well. Now, if y'all listening, I hope y'all turned the volume down some, because I know this stuff is loud. So make sure y'all turn the volume down real quick. Put y'all right there by the corner and light, just like that. Let me see if I can work the magic again. Maybe I can't do it again, but I did it the first time. I know I can get it again. Come on. Well, I guess since I turned on the camera, I can't get it again. But I literally just did it. Nobody else here with me. I literally just did it. And I'm trying to be respectful, but this stuff is loud. Y'all know I don't like making a lot of noise, and you got neighbors. And this is loud, but I need to get it on. Well, I want to anyways, make a video for y'all, you know. There it go. There it go, as y'all can see. And the way to get them off, I think you're supposed to use like a flathead or something, or maybe even a crowbar, and pry it off. Crowbar would probably be better, because it's a lot stronger, you know what I'm saying, than a small flathead, which you'll probably be in. So use a crowbar, use the end like a hook, put it there, and then pop it off. But as y'all can see, got it on. That's my method. Don't knock it if it works, you know. Use the bottom of a drill, a strong battery, thick battery on it. Pause. Hope I made y'all laugh there. But yeah, got it on, and y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I like it a lot. I think it looked really good on there, and like I said, I think it looked a lot better than having the lug nuts exposed. So yeah, got 2 of them on. Let me put these last 2 on, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the end. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, it took me about 30 minutes just to get them other 2 on. And it's because when you're doing it, you gotta hold the centerpiece at a certain way, you know what I'm saying, to where it'll be perfectly lined up to where all you gotta do is just hit it and it should go right on. But if you have it turned like, I'm trying to put this in a certain way, you know what I'm saying, so to be a little easier for y'all to understand it. So it's a certain way you gotta hold it to then hit it. That first I didn't know that until I got to the back of the car, you know what I'm saying. So you gotta have it like on one and then in the middle of the other 2, if you get what I'm saying. and then you gotta hit it perfectly to where to go straight on. But enough talking, you know what I'm saying, I got it done. And if y'all was trying to do the same thing, it's not easy, but it can get done, you know what I'm saying. If I can do it, anybody can do it. That's how I can look at it. So as y'all know, just the one we put on first off camera because I couldn't get it on camera, and then move to the side where we custom made our own corner light. We did this one on camera, so two fronts, that was the two fronts. And y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Me personally, I think it looked really dope. Move on to the back. Got this one on. Like I said, it took me about 30 minutes to get these other two on, but they are on. As y'all can see, we're at the back with my exhaust pipe. Got it on. It ain't coming off. And then move on to the other side. Exhaust pipe, got it on. Now all I need to do really is clean them up. Really need to clean this whole car. I ain't washed it since summertime, but yeah, got them all on. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Me personally, I think it's a really dope touch to the car. I think it make the wheels look a lot better, make the car look a lot better. And as y'all know, I've been on stocks for a while. I already had the wheels for this car. Just I haven't ordered tires yet because I've been focused on getting the motors right on this car and my Cutlass. So the tires can wait until I get finished with those. So like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I think it came out really dope. Let me see if I can get it in one frame. Yeah, so that's the driver's side, and no more exposed lug. So like I said, I think it came out really dope. I think it looked really good. Man, it just make them wheels in this car look a lot better, bro. I'm telling you, just that little touch right there. Even though it was a struggle to get on, I'm telling y'all, if I would have knew that these go on these wheels when I first got this car and had these wheels on there for a while, I would have been had them on there. But better late than never, you know what I'm saying. So now I know, and now I know that they go on there, and now I see them on there. To be honest, I don't even want to take the stocks off right now because it looked good to me in person. In person, like I said, it looks a whole lot better. Make this look like a real true old school. Now wait till I throw that paint on there. When I throw the paint on here, I'm gonna leave these on for a while before I throw my 26s on, because I need to get the chrome fixed on them. But yeah, when I get this car painted, bro, I'm telling you, these wheels gonna even look even better on here with them centerpieces. And like I said, they call rally centerpieces because that's what I seen online. That's what I seen they was called, rally centerpieces. So yeah, if y'all got a set of 14s and y'all looking for some rally centerpieces, look them up, get you a set, because like I said, I think they look really good. But yeah, I'm finna catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. It is freezing cold outside, man, and this the weather I was working in last year, beginning of 2023, when I was doing work on the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying. Now if y'all haven't watched the journey of these cars, and y'all are new to the channel, click on my channel real quick, click on the playlist at the top, and then scroll down to where you see car content. Y'all see from the beginning to where I'm in now of my journey on these cars. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about them rally center caps. I hope I'm saying it right. I keep saying it and I don't know if it's true, but like I said, I seen it online and it said that they're called rally center pieces. So yeah, so it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn the post notification bell all the way, you'll be notified every time I drop. Go follow my Instagram at 01 Deuce, road to 3,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all join the family and hit that subscribe button, and then follow my Instagram at 01 Deuce, road to 2,000 followers. So go follow my Instagram as well. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Wise words from Rod Waves: if you got dreams, you gotta chase them. Simple as that. You feel me? Simple as that. Let me know what y'all think about the centerpieces added on the wheels and added on my bike Chevy. Like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.